You got drafted to serve. Well, basically, you're gonna die at some point. Oh shit! Who's on Overwatch? I didn't see that. Oh Rick, I'm sorry. Oh goddamn. Well, you're going to the right place because Duckfang is right there. Oh god. Okay, so I started getting distracted and making stupid mistakes that I should not have made. Let's heal Rick.
Easy now, soldier.
I cannot make that sort of mistakes while playing Long War. You need to... Well, you're panicking, so I cannot do anything to you. So... Shit. 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 So, I'm saying you got drafted. Do I even try this? God damn it. I seriously don't know what to do. Do I pull further back? They still have targets here. It's not like they're gonna move. Do I try the 40%? Can I destroy a car? Will that burn that car up? Screw it.
Grenade out.
All aboard the fail train. Yeah, this is going badly. Oh. Ah, well, for a moment I thought I might have destroyed Heidi Klum's. Wow, the car isn't even burning. Thanks a lot, XCOM. So that was a fail. Because now they have even better angles to shoot me. Oh, wonderful! I am so good at this. Everyone's gonna die and it's just sectoids. Oh my god. Do you have an angle? 46, just shoot something. Well, that worked. Thank you, Heidi. Okay, I'm not feeling quite as bad, but that guy could still get us, and there's still a guy in the goddamn house. So let's do this.